scan it yet. I'm just getting pictures so far. Gonna scan the cake.
Wait, are you talking?
Yeah. There's our big chocolate number 5 candle. There's Cameron.
There's Kevin P.
Alright. Ready?
Happy
Go. You don't sing happy birthday, it's your birthday.
to you. Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, dear Cameron.
Cha cha.
Happy birthday to you. How old are you? Camp. How old are you? You're 5? When did you turn 5?
Right now.
You did?
Oh
Today?
no, she turned 5 like 2 weeks ago. Here, Cam. Can I cut? Okay.
Hey, no cutting.
Yeah, cutting.
You're not going to be able to cut that one.
Yeah, she can cut it. No, can't.
Hey, don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch.
First down.
Let her do it. Let her do it.
No, it's hard for her.
I know. I'll get it. Okay, that's enough. Leave it there.
I can.
Nope, leave it there.
I can lick it. Why not?
Yep.
Why not?
Okay.